Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Take a look at these sentences. We both are Chinese. We all like tea. The words both and all indicate that something is common across all parties, right? So do you think it's going to be useful to be able to use the word both and all in Chinese? Well, all Americans, or we both agree that this is a good idea, right? Without both and all, it would be like, we are Chinese, we like tea, right? It's not emphasizing that we all agree on this. So this lesson, we're going to look at how to say both and all in Chinese. Please turn your textbook to page 108, and let's take a look at grammar note number 4. It's actually pretty simple. Both and all are expressed with the Chinese word dou, D-O-U first tone, dou. It's almost like Homer Simpson's dou, right? Dou means both or all. Make sure that dou goes in front of a verb. Okay, you cannot say we dou Chinese. You have to say we dou are Chinese. Okay. For example, we both are Chinese. 我们都是中国人。我们都是中国人。So dou can be used for both and for all. So it doesn't matter how many parties there are. It can be 2 parties or multiple parties. Okay. They all like drinking tea. 他们都喜欢喝茶。他们都喜欢喝茶。
我喜欢喝茶。
我也喜欢喝茶。
我们都喜欢喝茶。
These are all Wang Fang's stuff. These are all Wang Fang's things. 这些都是王芳的东西。These are all her stuff. Okay, now a quick practice. What does it say here? 我们是中国人, right? We're Chinese people. How do you say we're all Chinese people? 我们都是中国人. Very good. What does this say? 他们喜欢喝茶. Very good. 他们喜欢喝茶. They like drinking tea. How do you say they all like drinking tea? 他们都喜欢喝茶. Very good.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.